Hey developers, I hope you're doing good. So in this video, I want to show you another quick tip about Tailwind CSS. So as you can see on my web page, I have a few lines of text. So you may have been in a situation where you want to show only few lines on the screen and eliminate rest of them and add maybe 3 dots and read more button at the end. So let's go to the code. So as you can see, I have only one div element with a class of p10. So this is the text I want to eliminate to few lines. So the first thing I will do, I will add a paragraph tag because the text needs to be inside the paragraph tag all the time. So the utility class you can use to eliminate extra lines is line clamp 2 or 3 or whatever you need. So if I control S and go to the browser, as you can see now I have only 3 lines on the screen. So I have seen people using JavaScript for that, and they are just counting the number of words and adding 3 dots at the end, but you don't need to do that. So this line clamp class also work with media queries. So let's say on the smaller screen I want to show 5 lines or maybe 6 lines, but on the medium screen I want to show 4 lines, and on the extra large screen I want to show only 2 lines. So if I control S this and if I go to responsive design, and as you can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines because I have added line clamp 6 on the smaller screens. Then if I go to medium screen, as you can see now these lines have been turned to 4 lines, and if I go to extra large screen, this will convert into 2 lines. So as you can see now I have only 2 lines. So this was the quick tip about Tailwind CSS utility class. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more quick videos about Tailwind CSS. Thank you.